check out yet another project car. What is this one?
Mercedes, 2003. It's kind of my era of cars that I'm kind of familiar with. Never had a Mercedes, so I'm not familiar with that at all. But we'll see. I'm gonna shoot him $400 and see if he takes it.
We are also minus a car. We sold what car?
The Mustang.
Sold the Mustang.
I thought it was never gonna sell, and it did.
Remember the first video? We were like, or he said, well, nobody wants to buy it. I said, not yet.
It was a lie. Everybody wanted to buy it. Nobody wanted to pay for it.
Yeah. The coolest Hot Wheel ever. Now it's gone. Profit. Pulling up to the spot. How do I turn it? There it is.
You can see everything.
Over there talking. What are the details on this car?
Looking like it's a... No.
Well, we can't put that in the video. Looks like it's a lemon that can't make lemonade.
Yeah, well, I was gonna go ahead and check a couple things. Brought that little jumper pack of yours with us, which that could be a problem now, because it didn't seem like it was putting off any juice. Couldn't get the ignition to turn over, which the guy was saying that was a problem.
So there's cranking issues with it, and the battery pack was possibly failing. But
there's not cranking issues with it. We couldn't get it to crank because you can't get the key into the accessory position regardless of... your jumper pack might not have been helping. But he said that is an issue, that it doesn't want to turn over. Like, not engage the starter or anything, but the key just won't move, basically.
getting gas. What are we getting gas for?
It's just beeping at me. I don't know what to do. What does it want? What are we getting gas for?
Yeah.
The Dodge. The big bad Dodge. Let's get the thing to pump. Captain Octane.
Captain Octane.
Oh, man. Come on,
Where'd
you go?
Huh?
Where'd you go?
Where'd you go?
Oh, there you go. We got it all.
Gassed up. So what are we gonna do?
Bug. Yellow.
So we got gas for what?
The Dodge. We're gonna try starting up the Dodge today. SRT8. Hopefully she runs, and hopefully there's no ticking freaking lifters. It's sat for 2 years, so I'm praying for the best and expecting the worst. So there's probably gonna be some ticking. It's probably gonna be pretty loud. Hopefully,
We've dealt with ticking before, though.
hopefully it clears up on its own accord.
They even make us stuff that you can stick in there and it'll...
Yeah, otherwise we'll be buying some Liquimoly hydraulic lifter additive. It might help bring them back to life. They might be plugged up, or it's worth a shot. $10.
So we'll see what happens. It's a very big day.
Here.
Putting the gas in.
Feeding the baby. Giving the baby a bottle. A big old red bottle. You hear it? It was thirsty. You hear him drinking it?
Yeah.
You hear him drinking it? He's drinking it all. Slow down. You're gonna get a tummy ache.
Sounds bad.
Like listening to the ocean.
Listen here.
The-
Why are you drinking it?
Okay, hopefully this will make it start.
Hopefully it's enough. You want more?
How long has it been since it's been started?
2 years.
2 years since it ran. Are the odds in our favor?
Why are you drinking it?
Thirsty.
We have a serious spider problem. I swear they move into the mirrors And no matter how many times I spray a hose, they remain.
Impervious. Impervious to your magic.
It's still going?
That's all.
Impatient. And we are still, like I said, sold the Mustang. Now we got the Beamer, the Dodge, and that. What is your favorite car?
The black one.
The black one? This one? Now he has to swap the battery.
My favorite little ratchet. Black day wall.
And this is a big boy.
It is a big boy. 6.1 Hemi.
Big boy.
Whoa, what was that? Juiced up battery.
All right, we got a new battery in it out of our Beamer. We got fresh fuel in it.
What are the things needed to start a car again? Fuel, spark, air?
Yep. And I mean compression. You gotta have compression.
I thought that's air.
You got air coming into the motor, but it could be coming out. Fuel pump primes. Nothing.
Nada.
Oh, I should not have pressed those brakes down. I got the freaking brakes disconnected.
Bigger gummy. Bigger gummy.
Did it ruin it?
You're probably fine.
Bigger gummy. Bigger gummy.
Let me grab a rotor.
Don't try this at home. All right, so we did try some things today. What did we try?
You sound like me. Yeah, we were trying to start the Dodge unsuccessfully. Don't know exactly what's going on. Starter related. There's no click. I mean, we can hear the relays clicking when I try turning the ignition, but yeah, nothing else.
So that's a bummer, but we just gotta keep trying stuff. And on a better note, like I said before, we did sell the Mustang, so
yeah,
we gotta take our wins where we can get them, you know?
at least it gives us money to fund the project we got going on right now.
Like and subscribe our videos, and if anybody has any ideas, drop a comment.